On December 28, 2024, a video revealed the WZ-9 Divine Eagle, China's advanced high-altitude, long-endurance UAV, in flight. This marks a significant milestone in China's rapid progress in drone technology, specifically designed for counter-stealth missions. Developed by the 601 Institute/SAC, the WZ-9 is set to challenge the dominance of stealth aircraft on the modern battlefield. Stealth technology has become one of the greatest advantages in modern aviation, allowing aircraft like the F-22 and B-2 to avoid detection by radar systems. These stealth capabilities enable aircraft to strike with precision, undetected by enemy defenses. As stealth aircraft become more integral to air forces worldwide, the need for effective countermeasures has never been more urgent. This is where the WZ-9 comes in. The WZ-9 stands out with its unique twin-fuselage design, which not only ensures aerodynamic efficiency but also enhances structural integrity. The UAV's large 35-meter wingspan is supported by twin vertical tail fins, while a medium-thrust turbofan engine powers the drone. On top of this, its advanced radar system, designed to detect stealth targets at extended ranges, positions the WZ-9 as a key asset in the evolving arms race. The WZ-9's radar system features two side-looking conformal radar antenna arrays and an ultra-wide dual-band electronically scanned radar. These systems work together to detect stealth aircraft such as the F-22 Raptor and B-2 Spirit, even at long distances. While the radar system may not be as accurate as traditional platforms, the WZ-9 can fly in formation with other UAVs, creating a multi-static radar network that amplifies detection range and improves accuracy. Unlike traditional airborne warning platforms like AWACS, the WZ-9 operates in groups, allowing for enhanced detection through a layered radar system. Controlled via secure data links, the UAVs work together to triangulate radar reflections from multiple directions, offering a more robust solution for detecting stealth aircraft in contested environments. With a length of 14 meters, a wingspan of 35 meters, and an endurance of over 20 hours, the WZ-9 is perfectly suited for long-duration surveillance and early warning missions. It has an operational ceiling of 18 kilometers, further extending its capabilities for vast area monitoring. This makes the WZ-9 a formidable tool in modern aerial warfare. The WZ-9's operational success could shift the balance of power in counter-stealth warfare. By effectively detecting and tracking stealth aircraft, China could weaken the advantage held by countries relying on stealth technology, such as the United States. This would dramatically impact the dynamics of air superiority and modern combat. The development of the WZ-9 is just one example of China's growing UAV capabilities. From reconnaissance platforms like the WZ-7 to loyal wingman drones like the WZ-10, China has shown its commitment to pushing the boundaries of military drone technology. As China continues to develop its UAV capabilities, the WZ-9 could become the first airborne anti-stealth radar system in the world, solidifying China's position as a leader in military drone innovation. With its groundbreaking design, advanced radar systems, and ability to operate as part of a network, the WZ-9 is a clear indication of China's ambition to dominate the skies and reshape the future of warfare.